Hello and welcome to this channel about cryptocurrency education. Today I'd like to talk about DTravel, which has not launched yet, but it is supposed to become the first blockchain-based community-hosted platform that will be a competitor for AirBNB. I'm sure you all know AirBNB. It's basically something like house sharing, where you can book short night stays in private accommodation. And DTravel is the first platform that is supposed to become a competitor, and that is based on blockchain technology. Now, if you haven't heard about this, I haven't, so I'm not surprised. It has been announced on the 16th of June that this will be launched. This article here came out on the 18th of June, and it is basically done or made or owned by Travala.com. So Travala.com, they will launch this new platform. They actually have raised $5 million, and they have backing from key industry investors. Now they are supported by former employees or executives from Airbnb, Expedia, and other global technology companies. So they really have experienced people there. They've also been backed by large investors, institutional investors, and if I will take you quickly through what's going to happen. If you don't know who Travala are, so Travala is a website and also a coin, so the AVA coin, listed 200 on CoinMarketCap, and to be honest, from my point of view, the only reason that they are so far behind or at the end, 200 is not bad, but it's also not great. They are still fairly small, and I think the only reason is that this has been held back by because nobody's going to travel at the moment. But I think as soon as we get out of full lockdown and all the restrictions will be eased, this will see a massive boom in bookings. So Travala, they are you could say the Expedia of blockchain. So they have a travel platform that you can use to book your holiday, and you can pay with cryptocurrencies. And they also have an AVA coin. The AVA coin is used for rewards, and also you can pay on that website. I on this website here, on the Travala website, I bought some AVA coins because I just want to participate. Not massive amounts, but a couple of weeks ago I bought $600. I staked them now, so they are locked. 250 AVA are locked, and I will get over 8% of interest in AVA coins per year. So I think it's a highly interesting project. So I invested in that. But what they do now, they are launching this what's the name again? DTravel platform, and that will have its own token. So this token hasn't launched yet. I just make this video to make you aware that this is going to come. And I think it really sounds like a very interesting use case. So the TRVL token, it's not the AVA token. This will be the TRVL token. I don't think it's been launched yet. I tried to find out when it will be launched, but it hasn't launched yet. But on this website here, which is the DTravel website and which already exists, you can actually become a host already if you're interested. If you own a property or several properties, or you're a property manager, then you can register as a host. And the interesting thing is that if you're a host, the first 100,000 host registrants will receive in total $35 million worth of TRVL tokens, basically as reward. I think that is a great opportunity for everybody who wants to become a host. Other benefits of this website, why I think it will become a very dangerous Airbnb competitor, is that it charges 50% less than Airbnb or other competitors or hotels and guests. So where I think Airbnb have a fee of 20%, this website DTravel, they will only have 7.5%, and they can do that because it's community owned. They say that all profits will go back into a community fund. And basically the community, it's decentralized platform. So they focus very much on decentralization. So they say the community is basically going to manage it and basically vote. If you're staking your TRVL tokens, then you can vote for changes and how it's going to continue. They also have their white paper here on the website, and they talk about the TRVL token. But unfortunately, I haven't found out. I really tried to dig deep. I couldn't find out when this will finally be launched, or when the TRVL token will be launched. But yeah, I think as you see here, it's by the users, for the users, built with blockchain technology. It will run on Binance Chain and Ethereum. That's what they say. They also say, as you can see here, it will be community owned. And they also have ideas about introducing some NFTs as well. Now, it's not quite clear yet what they're going to do, but it will have something to do with loyalty rewards and everything. But for me, this is a very, very interesting project. And as soon as you hear that maybe a TRVL token will be launched, you now have an idea what it is. And if you think that this has future, it might be worth trying to grab some TRVL tokens when they are launching. Now, by all means, this is not investing advice or financial advice. I have not invested in TRVL, don't even know when they are launching. But I think it's a highly interesting project, especially as, after lockdown and everything, the travel industry will hopefully start to boom again. At least that's what I think. I think people want to travel. And as soon as they feel safe, they will. And I think that's also why I invested in some AVA tokens on Travala.com, because Travala, it's a massive booking platform already. I don't think many people have actually heard about Travala, but it is serious. And I think they cooperate with Binance on that. They also cooperate with Binance on DTravel. So this is something big. And they are building something here which, will become a major competitor to platforms like Airbnb, which actually are quite centralized. So this will all be community-led. It will be much more efficient because, hosts can communicate directly with the people who want to book and stuff like that. So it will be much more efficient, much cheaper, and much more interesting. And also with regards to the TRVL coin, could be a great opportunity to invest. At least that's what I will look into as soon as it will be launched. For me personally, I think it's a great use case. The reason they do it on DTravel is because the Travala website, there they don't have anything about house sharing on there. So that's why they launched DTravel sort of as a add-on to Travala.com. So so hopefully that was a useful video about a proper use case of a blockchain-based Airbnb competitor. If you liked the video, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this journey here, then please subscribe. And please support the channel if you like the video, because it's very important for such a small channel to get some subscribers. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.